guys, you can see. Whoa! 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 Okay, today, guys, we are going to see a volcano, that volcano, and Ivy. Okay, wait. So sorry about that. My sister Ivy, go! Ivy, go!
Ooh, look at me.
Okay, so we are going to see that volcano explode on a boat. Hope you enjoy the video. So we are already here. We're going to head to the boat right now. And yeah, like it's, guys, I don't know if you can see, but like, I'm going to show you a picture. Mum's there. Hi. Mum, I'm going to show you a picture of the volcano exploding. Here it is. So that's the picture of the volcano. No, not exploding, but like it with smoke. Because I can't show you on the camera for some reason. We'll see you on the boat. Whoa, guys, where did they go? Whoa!
He just was like...
Guys, don't move, I'm taking a picture. Stay there, stay. Jessica, come on. Go back in the tunnel, go!
No, I don't want to pick. Go to
We're running late to our, boat. We have to hurry and hopefully we make it on time. So, yeah. Got posts, thingies.
Not showing you.
No, come on, show us. Ivy, show us. No, the blog. I'll show you a picture of them.
How do
They're here. That's they are. We're going to go to the boat now. Oh my god. So there was a car just came by. My dad's there, guys. Okay, he just got out of the picture. I was dancing around and a random car just came and they just looked at me weirdly. Oh my god. We already got on the boat loads of times and we're still walking. Jessica's there. Oh, she doesn't want to be on camera. I'll blur your face out, it's when I edit it. Yeah, so we'll see you on the boat.
Are you looking for
No, I'm not.
boat ride?
Lovely.
You're seriously going to try and walk down here backwards?
I'm filming you guys. Yeah. Oh my gosh.
That's just it. Or slippy down here. Careful, it's slippy.
Look at this. It's beautiful. We are at Hotel Beach. If you want to know why the sand is black, it's because...
Look how dark the sand is.
It's beautiful though, isn't it?
Okay. Oh, behind us.
Oh yeah! Oh wow! Look at that. Look at the volcano. We noticed something. No, come on, Ivy.
So this house you see here
Yeah.
is that house.
It's basically the picture. But that is that. But it makes it look nicer. Just wanted to tell you that we're almost up there. We're near the beach. We're about to get on the boat. Kind of. We're just walking there. Guys, so we can see loads of boats. So we're very near. We just have to walk up. There's someone there, so I'm just not going to. We're gonna walk up there, and then I think you turn, and then it's the beach, and then you're on the boat. I'll vlog when we're on the boat. Something bad is happening, guys. Our boat is there, and we're not on it, and we have to do something quickly. Oh my god. Let's go on the boat right now. Okay, stay there, that's perfect view. At the bottom. slide.
Bravo Stromboli!
Oh, hi, Jess.
Just can we sit up here?
Yeah.
That's my phone. Yeah, I'll send some videos.
She's recording on my phone. I'll send you breakfast.
That's crazy. I want to see it go red.
Yeah. It's just that you'll see it when it uploads.
It's still live, that's fine.
Yeah.
God, we're going to be going back in the dark.
How long will it take until?
Well, the sun will set in like 20 minutes. Ooh!
Wait, will it start? Will it start when the sun sets?
You'll be able to see it.
Okay.
And then like going home, it's going to be dark.
Oh.
The sun will set. I'm quite happy actually.
And we can see the volcano. It's like, and on a boat. It's like the best horror movie ever. Wow. It's getting late. It's getting late. You can't even like, the sun's not even right. It's so dark and everyone is like asleep right now. Kind of. Oh my god, it's so cold. It's so fun. I think we're gonna do it. It's dark and the